Hey viewers, welcome to Cinesoft. Today we are doing a side-by-side unboxing of two most popular budget phones in India, Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. The right side is the Note 8 and the left side is the Note 8 Pro. Well, the Note 8 price begins from 13,000 and Note 8 Pro price begins from 15,000. Note 8 have a flat glass back panel and the Note 8 Pro have a curved back panel. Both comes with a C-type charger. Note 8 have 48 megapixel camera, while Note 8 Pro have 64 megapixel rear camera. Let's switch it on. Thanks for watching.